For this lesson, you are going to be expanding your vocabulary, taking a look at some of the words from Energy from the Sun and the Three Sisters Farming Method, which you have read before. You're going to find their definitions and then write your own sentence. So I will show you what the assigned document looks like, and then I'll go over some reminders about how to figure out the definition. So there's directions up here. Notice that there are red ones and yellow ones. The red ones are the ones you must do, so you need to do those. The yellow ones are ones you should do, but you don't have to do them. All right? So notice I also put what page they were on in the text because you'll want to go find them in the story so you can see the context that they are in. That will help you understand them, especially because sometimes we have words that have multiple meanings. So obviously I didn't tell you what sentence they were in, but I did tell you the page so you can find it. Say, for example, this first one, absorb, we can see it's on page 6. So you'll have to reread until you see, during photosynthesis, plants use chlorophyll to absorb energy from sunlight. Then they combine this energy with carbon dioxide and water to create sugars. That still might not tell you what the word means. So remember, you can use a resource like a dictionary. The glossary in this case won't help you because it's not a bold word, so it's not going to show up in the glossary. So you'll want to go to Google and use a dictionary if you're not sure what it means from context clues. Context clues might tell you, or you might just use what you know. Maybe you've heard that word before, or you've heard it sort of, so you can figure it out kind of with the context clues and a little bit you know. Remember, sometimes we can also use word parts if there's a prefix or a word that we sort of recognize. The word yesterday that came up in our read aloud, not yesterday, when Friday the 25th, inseparable. Okay, well, separable, that kind of looks like the word separate. And in can either mean in something or it can mean not. So inseparable means not separable. You cannot separate something. So that's how I would use word parts. Dictionary is pretty straightforward. You've practiced this in one of your other lessons looking up new words. I just wanted to remind you. And then again, find the word. In the worksheet itself, you will write the definition. Make sure you understand what the definition means. Don't just copy it out of the dictionary. Really try and understand what the dictionary is telling you, because this is how we learn new words. We don't just learn new words by writing it. We learn new words by actually thinking about it, because then you are going to write it in your own sentence. You are not, and I repeat, not just copying the sentence from the text. You are writing your own sentence. So your sentence will not say this, will not be that, but might be something about how the sponge absorbs water when you wash dishes. It soaks it up. It's a little hint on that one. So that is what you are doing for this. Remember, there's also a link here to the story. If you just click it, then you can click the link there. Expand that vocabulary, work to get some new words, learn some new words. Good luck.